Okay, exciting stuff here, folks. It's day 50 and day 60 on growing 2 pumpkins on 1 plant. If you're new to this, we're trying something different. I did try this in 2018 and it didn't play out very well. The first pumpkin weighed $12.98, went to the Michigan State Fair, and it did win $1,900. And the second pumpkin that we left on the plant went on to grow like 900 pounds. But we're doing much better this time. Check this out, growing 2 on a plant, because most champion growers, they only grow 1 on a plant. And the numbers are getting so big and high out there and outrageous, and we keep splitting them. I'd like to end up with some pumpkins at the finish line. So far, so good. It's August 16th, and we're gonna see today what day 50 and day 60, what do they weigh? What kind of gains are we getting? Please join us. Here's Clementine. On day 50, we're getting 163. I had to took some tape and taped it to the pumpkin. It's getting too difficult. I don't have Jackson here. Jackson is gone to his father's. Like most kids nowadays, there's 2 fathers. She got visitations, all that good stuff. But there's your largest circumference parallel to the ground. For the most part, we could go a little bit lower. Typically, stem blossom area is pretty accurate with this one. It should be. If we drop any lower on this side, we're going to get off the largest circumference. So there you go. There you have it. The circumference on Clementine is 163.5. All right. We decide on Clementine is 107, straight to the ground. Do not hug your pumpkin. Do not hug your pumpkin. The tape goes straight to the ground. All right, your neighbors will talk if you get caught hugging your pumpkin. Don't do it. Be more happy with these. The looks of these pumpkins are beautiful. You'll be able to buy the seeds from these 2 pumpkins. I'm gonna have a combo pack, or you can buy them individually on the website this winter. Come to worldwidegiantgrowers.com and get your beautiful giant pumpkins with 2,453 pound mama genetics combined with the 2551 Ford, and I'll show you a little clip of what they look like. They're nice and orange. You're gonna get orange pumpkins out of these no matter what. There's Gordietta. There's Gordietta. Now, here's some of my tomatoes. I gotta show off some of my tomatoes. Here's just a couple of my blossoms. Look at that. Look at that blossom. If you're a tomato guy, that's a blossom, baby. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's come down here. Got some beautiful blossoms. I had to cut off a twin. We had twins going on over here. Check out this mega, man. This is like a mega. That's just, if that takes, I got it mounted to the fence. And then here's another one on the same plant. I think this one I might have accidentally nipped it. It might not make it. It looks like I accidentally nipped it, but hey, there's the honey. If that makes it, woo. All right, and then down here, I got another for your brother. We had to cut off the weaker version of that the other day. These are on my 7.69 Clements. That's what this one is. This one here, I believe, is the Mega. This might be the Mega Brown. I'll have to check that label. Yeah, let me see. Nope. Let's see what's the label down here. I got them all tagged. No, it's a 7.69 Clements. Then this one might be the Mega Brown. We got tags down there. So they're all tagged. No confusion. All right, but here's the pollinator for these big orange pumpkins. If you want to buy seeds at my website this winter, here's the orange. Now first we thought they were challenged pumpkins. To be politically correct, we'll call them challenged, but it turns out they weren't. We got 4 growing. It was funny, Danny Fleecer at the patch said, "Hey, I got you guys beat. You're growing 2 on a plant. I'm growing 3 on a plant." And we laughed. We said, "Yeah, well, we got you beat, Danny. We're growing 4 on a plant." Here's a 2551 Ford. And here's another for your brother. Happy Halloween. Jackson doesn't like me writing on them, but I'll get a pretty penny for that pumpkin from some store. All right. 1, 2, 3, and there's another for your brother. 4 on 1 plant. We got you beat, Danny Fleecer. Too funny. All right, man. So this is the cross We cross this beautiful orange 2551 Ford with that over there. The huge potential here with the grandparents being 2,551 pounds, the daddy, and the mama's 2,453 pounds. The mama. Anyways, so hey, we're promoting orange. I was always in my heart. I tried growing some ugly pumpkins. It didn't work out. So here we go. Bubba's sticking to his guns. Don't you grow no ugly pumpkins. Yeah, it's getting late in the year. Look at that. That right there is just probably deficient, nutrient deficient. Or if you know better than me, what is that, people? Comment below. What is that? There's some of that going on right there too. But you got 4 500-pound pumpkins here sucking on one plant. I need to get in here and clean up some dead leaves, cut off some dead leaves and toss them. All right, there's a view. There's a view of what's going on today in the Bubba patch. August 16th, 2025, growing 2 pumpkins on one plant. Down to the books, okay? Day 60 on Gordietta, the big pumpkin. She's 60 days old. OTT 389, that's over the top measurement, 389 inches. Estimated at 1,342 pounds. That gives it a 6-day average. It was 1207 on day 54. So a 6-day average of 135 pounds. It's averaged 22.5 pounds a day for the last 6 days. But wait, here's a nice surprise. The younger pumpkin, Clementine, as Jackson named it, is 1,145 pounds. On day 44, it was 952. It has gained 193 pounds, doing 32 pounds a day. Clementine, the younger pumpkin, is taking over. All right, there's your information for you. It's very interesting. We're learning a lot on this grow. How big will they get? Guess below, how big do you think these 2 pumpkins will get? We're gonna grow them till October. That's all I can say, unless something happens that makes us jerk them off earlier. But I don't think that's gonna happen. But I'm hoping it doesn't happen and we can get them both to the finish line in October. All right? So put your guesses below and we're gonna give away some seed packages of these pumpkins. There'll be some winners this fall picked from this video. Hey man, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Put your comments and questions below. I'll answer them the best that I can. All right, keep them growing. Thanks for joining us today. Here we are in Cadillac, Michigan. We're headed to Higgins Lake and then headed home. What do you got to say, Jack? Come on, Jack. What do you about Chase? Come on, Chase. Come on. Ah, it's Jack. This is the last leg of our fishing trip. There we go. Okay, now launch Grandpa's invention. You might want to go to the front of the boat and do it. And try not to knock Chase out. He's a good-looking kid. Now it should pull easier this time. All right. There you go, there you go. Once you get out so far, it might be easy enough to paddle. Grandpa's a gosh darn genius, I'm telling you. All right, I'll see you out there. Okay, new rule. Grandpa makes all the rules. If you come within 1,000 feet of my boat, you lose 10 pounds of fish in the tournament. What do you think about that? All right. Uh-oh, he's got one. No, no, Chase has got a fish. No, no, this ain't happening. Yep, Grandpa scores. Okay. 19 to 20 inch bass. We're gonna guesstimate it around 5 pounds. All right, we're letting her go.